Hi, I'm Darla Fraser, CEO at the Orangeville Public Library, and I'm here today with one of our amazing community champions. Suzanne, talk to us about why we're here today.
Thank you, Darla. I'm pleased to be here. Today we're here talking about the Community Volunteer Income Tax Program. Okay, it's basically free income tax clinics, which is very good, and they are targeted for our low and moderate income individuals.
And when does the tax clinic run?
We have tax clinics at 2 locations. The main one is here at the Orangeville Public Library, and that is on Tuesday mornings, on Tuesdays and Wednesdays from 10:30 till 1 o'clock. And those are clinics where we're doing a personal interview. And also we have those clinics on Mondays at the Orangeville District Senior Center. And that's Mondays from 9 till noon.
So if they're coming in to see you, if I want to bring my income tax to you, what do I need to bring?
Good question. You need to bring ID. Okay, we need identification. You need to bring all of your tax slips. So your T4s, your T5s, your T3s. Any medical, rent or property tax information. That's all kind of like the basic information we use. Let me emphasize again that the program is for low and moderate income individuals and with simple tax situations. So we don't do businesses, we don't do capital stocks and bonds, that sort of thing, okay? So just keep that in mind, and there is an eligibility criteria information available.
So we'll make sure that's clear and understood, the eligibility criteria. Now, what if it's impossible for me to drop into one of these clinics Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday? Is there any other option?
Yes, absolutely. There is a drop-off service here at the Orangeville Public Library. Basically, again, you bring your ID, you bring all your slips, and then you would come to the counter, and the lovely staff here at the library will assist you. You are going to confirm your identification, and you will be signing an authorization form. Okay, the authorization form is to give us, the volunteers, permission on your to file income taxes on your behalf.
Certainly, the ideal way is for people to come in and meet with yourself or one of your volunteers. Dropping off is sort of that option if nothing else works, and will require a contact information for your team to get in touch with the individual leaving the papers here at the library.
That is correct. We do still need to do this interview, which gives us additional information that we need to file your income taxes. So for those that can't make those times, please do drop off. And you need to give us your phone number, which is on the authorization form. And then we will connect with you to finalize that information so we can file.
Excellent. Such a wonderful program. I know the numbers have been growing.
Yes, they have. Some of our clients or the individuals we help many are senior citizens. We do students. Okay, so don't sell yourself short here. If you're a student, we do those. We also do a lot of individuals with disabilities. So it's a wide range of families with low income, right? We do all ranges of individuals.
So whether people are working part-time or on
exactly
social assistance of some kind.
Exactly.
And remember, filing your income taxes is not an option, it is the law.
Absolutely.
Let me ask you, about you. Community champions make these community programs viable. Mm-hmm. We couldn't do it without people like yourself. Can you share a little bit about what inspired you to come out and help the community year after year? I think this is our 6th year.
Yeah, yes, that is. This is the 6th season. That is correct.
Excellent.
I guess a lot of it is I retired a few years back, and I've always done some volunteering in my life, and I enjoy that. So it's just giving back and getting the feeling from people. You see the appreciation on their faces. A lot of people, for a lot of individuals, tax season is stressful, and so if I can, help to alleviate that, it's worth like tons to me. And you know, the appreciation, last year a lady brought me a vase with a pretty little flower. It was so nice.
Oh, she was so
Thank you.
appreciative.
She was, and you know, like that was worth everything to me. And I just, I enjoy volunteering and helping out if I can. So that's kind of like why I'm doing it.
Well,
So
we're delighted that you are, and the entire community benefits. I know the library is the perfect spot for your program.
It
as we can connect your volunteers to people in need. They can discover eligibility they may not know of for government benefits. It certainly increases their financial literacy.
absolutely,
And that's something we want
Yeah.
to build in the community.
yeah.
Together, we all soar.
That's right.
People get their taxes done and are able to access those eligibility benefits
Yes.
that they may not be aware of.
That's right.
And thank you so much to yourself and your team for offering this. And here's to another great season.
Absolutely, we're geared
Tax
up.
time, everybody. All personal returns due by April 30th.
Yes, what we do is we have a deadline of April 25th for bringing them in, and that way I can guarantee that we will have the returns completed by April 30th, okay? So that's why we're saying that. Now, if someone misses the April 25th, you can still bring them in. We will do our best to complete them by the 30th, but you know, we'll still do them, and if we don't, well, then you know why. In most cases, because our clientele are low and moderate income, it's not super critical, but if you don't want an interruption in your benefits, do please try to bring them in by the 25th so we can have them filed by the 30th, because you don't want that interruption. It just makes things a little smoother at the government's end and less stressful for you.
Well, that's our interview with Suzanne for the income tax program. Please come connect, discover, and soar here at the Orangeville Public Library. Thank you, Suzanne. See you here. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.